In this short, the focus shifts to micro gestures that rebuild trust after everyday hurts, not grand dramatic feuds. Acknowledge hurt promptly, name feelings without judgment, and follow up with consistent reliability to prove change through actions. Partners map small commitments, like keeping promises within 24 hours, turning intent into observable reliability over weeks at home. The script emphasizes transparent repair conversations, where apologies are specific, ownership is clear, and a plan is co-created. With patience and curiosity, couples slowly restore safety, inviting honest dialogue and renewed confidence in each interaction.